Hi everyone, it's Captain Shantz here. I know it's been an incredibly long time since I last uploaded anything. I just never really know what to record, so I guess if you guys would like to see something specific, please do let me know and I will try my best to get on that. Anywho, today's video is a vlog. I'm heading off later on to Kensington Olympia to set up my table for LFCC, London Film and Comic Con. It's my very first time exhibiting, so I'm really nervous. I'm also really excited and I have no idea what I'm doing. Everything's been a bit slapdash and chaotic, but it should be a good experience, so yay me. Anywho, I thought I would record my setting up of my table in case anyone was interested in watching. I thought it would be quite nice. And yeah, so I'm going to show you guys some of the stuff that I have, and here we go. Okay, so I guess I'll start off with my pins. I've got a whole bunch of these. This bag is my faulty bag. I'll be selling these at a discounted price. If you can tell, there's some little annoyances, but yeah. And then these are my actual pins, my bum pins, and I've got my little pin-up gal. So those are my pins. I've also got my charms and my banner. I'm not going to open that up because it's a pain to roll back up again. I've got my Space Scout sketchbook in here. Got a bunch of those, some pins, more pins, sorry, safety pins. Yep, fabric. What else? Business cards. Oh, what? There we go. Business cards, yay! And then I've got this little file thingy with all of my prints in them. Little pin-up of Gaston. What else? These are just you know, quick little shots for you guys. And some Space Gals. What else? More Space Gals. And stickers, which I lovingly hand cut. Actually, it's quite therapeutic. And that's about it. I mean, it's not a lot of stuff, but I didn't want to overwhelm myself by doing too much, and yeah, hopefully, you know, people will like them. Yay. So we're on our way to Olympia. I've had to put all of my stuff in a suitcase because look at the state right now. It's absolutely bucketing. Well, here we go.